Welcome, fellow readers. Today, I want to share a personal journey with you. It's a story that spans over 20 years of reading, connecting the magical mind of a legendary author to a real, quiet truth about our world today. Let me ask you a question. Do you know who said these exact words? Nothing interesting happened to me after the age of 8. These are the words of Gabriel Garcia Marquez. He first shared his realization with the world during his famous 1981 interview with the Paris Review. 2 decades ago, I read the long form proof of that statement in his autobiography, Living to Tell the Tale, right when it was published. I came across those exact same words again recently in a farewell to Gabo and Mercedes, a moving memoir written by his son Rodrigo. Rodrigo explains that 8 was how old he was when he moved away from his grandparents' house in the town of Aracataca, Colombia. How fortunate Gabo was to get such truly gifted parents to prepare his mind and sow the seeds of imagination in him while he was still a child. They filled his mind with a lifetime's worth of myths, war, and magic. His grandfather, Colonel Nicolas Ricardo Marquez Mejia, taught him the cold, hard truths about history. But his grandmother, Tranquilina, was the pure source of magic. She spoke to ghosts at the dinner table as if they were sitting right beside her. Most importantly, she taught him how to recount the most impossible with a complete, straight, placid face. This childhood magic defined his writing. In his masterpiece, 100 Years of Solitude, he writes about Melquiades, a nomad. As this mysterious old man walked the streets of Mecondo, dragging 2 heavy bricks of magnets, utensils got out of the houses and followed him. Melquiades proclaimed, "Things have a life of their own. It's simply a matter of waking up their souls." Gabo's story shows us what a treasure many of our elders are. They are carrying centuries of history and the power to wake up our young minds. Yet today, a majority of them are treated as outdated utensils themselves, either to be thrown away or dumped out of sight in some attic. Thank you for listening to me. Please leave your thoughts in the comments. Thank you.